Hi guys, welcome to my channel A Happier Me. In today's video, we will look at how to make butter chicken. This recipe requires two steps. First is to marinate your chicken. Ideally, you should be marinating it for 6 hours to get the maximum flavor. But if you are short on time, you can at least marinate for 2 hours. The second step is to make the gravy or the masala. In today's recipe, I am using a gravy base that I have already cooked and shown it in another video. So this is a basic Indian curry masala that you can use for multiple dishes including chicken. I have put the recipe of that in the description below and as well as in the cards here, so you can check that out. And so I hope you enjoyed today's video. So without any further ado, let's get started.
To make this butter chicken recipe, I will first start with marinating my chicken. In a bowl, I will take half a cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of tandoori barbecue masala, or if you don't have it, you could use half a teaspoon each of garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder, ginger powder and garlic powder. Next, I will also add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm using olive oil here, but you can use another oil of your choice. And then about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Make sure to take out any seeds from it. I will mix everything well before adding my chicken pieces to it. I'm using chicken breast tenders and I have cut them into 1-inch pieces. After adding chicken, I'll combine everything well, cover it and keep it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. The chicken gets nicely marinated ideally in 6 to 8 hours. So after 6 hours, I have taken it out from the fridge and I will preheat my oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll move my chicken in an oven safe dish and cook it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. After that's done, I will broil it for about 5 minutes at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives chicken a nice brown color. While the chicken is getting cooked in the oven, I will make the gravy for butter chicken. In a wok or saucepan, I will put 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. I will add 1 bay leaf, 1 whole cardamom, 1 green cardamom, 2 to 3 cloves and a couple of peppercorns. Make sure to keep the heat on low so that you do not burn your spices. Next, I will add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and give everything a mix. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of my gravy base that I have made previously. If you're interested, you can check this on my video in the cards. I will stir everything nicely so that the dry spices get mixed with the gravy base. This gravy base has onion, tomato, ginger, garlic and green chili in it. Now I will add my grilled chicken to it and mix everything well. The chicken is almost cooked fully, but it needs to go in the gravy and cook for another 10 minutes to absorb all the flavors. Finally, I will add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of honey to it and add some water. I'm using about 1 cup of water here. I will also add 2 tablespoons of cashew paste. So in a separate container, I had boiled about 8 to 10 cashews with some water and made it into a smooth paste. So once everything goes in the gravy, I will let it cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes and cover it with the lid so that all the flavors are absorbed in the chicken. After 10 minutes, when I open it, I will add my heavy whipping cream. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of that. You can skip this step if you want less calories, but because it's a butter chicken, cream and butter are an integral part of this dish. I will turn off the heat now as my chicken is completely cooked and smells great. Lastly, I'll garnish it with some kasuri methi. I'll take about 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and rub it in my palms and put it in the chicken, and I'll also add some chopped cilantro to it. One tip, if you want to make it more spicy or hot, you can adjust the red chili powder according to your taste, or if you want a milder version, you can use paprika instead of red chili powder. So please give it a try, and you can enjoy it with naan, a whole wheat roti, or any bread of your choice, or it even goes well with the rice.
If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.